Hi ADHD friends, ready to become gutsy cooks? Let's start now. Today we're going to make turkey meatloaf. You can serve this with mashed potatoes and broccoli stir fry for a hearty meal. Do not leave any of the ingredients out. They all work together to make things stick. It took a while to develop this recipe so it was repeatable, so be sure to follow all of the directions. Gather your equipment, your ingredients, and yourself. The equipment and ingredients we're going to use today is up on your screen. You can pause it at this point or let it run, or go to the next timestamp if you already have the printable recipe from gutsycooks.com. I do read these out loud for our visually impaired friends. For equipment, you'll need a loaf pan, a large mixing bowl, a whisk, measuring cups, measuring spoons, little bowls, and a cooking thermometer, specifically a meat thermometer. Then you'll need 1 egg, 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs, 1/3 cup of ketchup or your favorite barbecue sauce, 2 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of powdered sage, not rubbed sage, but powdered sage, and 1 pound of lean ground turkey. Get ready. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Measure out the ingredients into the little bowls. Combine. Whisk the egg. Then you're going to add the ketchup, Worcestershire sauce, salt, and sage, and whisk again. Then you're going to add the turkey and the breadcrumbs. And wearing gloves or using clean hands, mash up the ingredients together, counting to 45. You can also use a mixing spoon, but it does take longer. Then you're going to tip the mixture into the loaf pan and form a loaf. Just going to use, your fingertips and pat it down nicely. It'll take you a minute, but you'll get there. Heat. Bake in the oven for 45 minutes. Set a timer or 2 timers. When 45 minutes is up, remove from the oven with dry pot holders. Then you're going to take that meat thermometer and you're going to check the temperature. The internal temperature needs to be 165 degrees Fahrenheit at a minimum. If it does not reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, return the meatloaf to the oven for 5 more minutes. That minimum temperature is for food safety. Finish and serve. Remove the meatloaf from the oven and let it rest for 5 minutes. Set a timer. Carefully remove the meatloaf from the dish with a pancake turner. Any leftovers can be placed in foil and stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. If you like this recipe, please subscribe. Thank you for your time and attention. Now go get gutsy.